The 2024 BMW 3 Series is a luxurious and sporty compact sedan that remains the benchmark for its class. It's available in three trims: the 330i, the 330e plug-in hybrid, and the M340i. Image of 2024 BMW 330i. Subscribe my YouTube channel for new update video. Here's what I know about the 2024 BMW 3 Series. Engines. All trims come with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. The 330i makes 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, while the 330e makes 288 horsepower, combined, and 310 pound-feet of torque. The M340i makes 382 horsepower and 361 pound-feet of torque. Transmission. All trims come with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Drivetrain. The 330i and M340i are available with rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The 330e is only available with all-wheel drive. Fuel economy. The 330i gets 25 miles per gallon city/34 miles per gallon highway/29 miles per gallon combined. The 330e gets 27 miles per gallon city/73 miles per gallon highway/34 miles per gallon combined. The M340i gets 23 miles per gallon city/30 miles per gallon highway/26 miles per gallon combined. Handling. The 3 Series is known for its sharp handling and excellent ride quality. Interior. The interior is comfortable and luxurious, with high-quality materials and plenty of features. Technology. The 3 Series comes standard with BMW's iDrive 8 infotainment system, which features a 12.3-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also standard. Here are some of the pros and cons of the 2024 BMW 3 Series. Pros: powerful and refined engines, sharp handling and excellent ride quality, comfortable and luxurious interior, standard iDrive 8 infotainment system with lots of features. Cons: not as engaging to drive as some rivals. Optional features can add up quickly. No manual transmission available. Overall, the 2024 BMW 3 Series is an excellent choice for luxury car shoppers who are looking for a sporty and luxurious sedan. It's a well-rounded car that's fun to drive, comfortable to ride in, and packed with features.